Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change colorful theme to dark gray in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document, and we can see here a colorful document with some text. Now we want to change the colorful theme to dark gray in this document. Go to the design menu, then click the page color option and choose the dark gray. Now we can see we change the colorful theme to dark gray in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.